Welcome to the Center of Manufacturing for Excellence. We are here at Lansing Community College, and in 2014, our president seen a need to take our manufacturing skills and actually put it all together. So what has happened here with the help of the grant for the state of Michigan, we have put together a Center for Manufacturing of Excellence, where students now are working on a multi-skilled maintenance technology degree to be able to fill the skills gap in industry. So behind me, what you see here is a real line in educational institution, never done before in the United States, that students not only just learn the concepts, but now they're put into a real life situation as if they were working in a facility. So this enables students, after they leave the college, go into the industry to do the work and understand all the concepts as needed.
Welcome to the Welding Technology Robotics Lab. This is the newest part of what we have to offer our students. We got this all through the MCAM grant, working together with 8 other community colleges throughout the state of Michigan. In this program, we are able to teach our students programming. In the past, we didn't have that. We have GM, we have everything in this neighborhood, and our students weren't able to go get a job to be a programmer. So now, this is going to put us above the rest. And as far as putting the modules together, the guys all came to me. We looked at PBOs, or performance-based objectives, throughout the state, through surveys that we gave to our advisory committee, so that we could develop a course specifically for the student that was going through the mechatronics program. So that way when they get on the job, they're prepared to do repairs.
So as part of the C-STEP grant, we were able to acquire some very high-end, high-tech, multi-axis machinery here in the machine shop. We have equipment here that takes students to that higher level of skill set, so they can go right into the industry and take right off with the equipment that our manufacturers have as well. But with that, we have not forgotten about the core skills that students need to be in the manufacturing industry. So we start out with very basic skills in the machine shop. We do what's called bench work, where we're starting students out with basic hand tools, because those skills are still needed, and students need to know how machines act and feel when they're actually running them. So we're not producing just that button pusher CNC operator. We're making a full-rounded person that can come out of here and do multitask. With that, we've also brought down a lot of the silos that you used to see in manufacturing. In other words, our welding department, our design department, our machining department, the automation department have all come together. So our degrees and certificates now will show you that it's not just a machining degree anymore. It's a manufacturing degree where there's a design component, a programming component, and all those other skills that are needed to be successful out in the industry.
In order to get a process for manufacturing, one of the things that we have done is we've worked with our partnerships with industry, also with our advisory committees, to collect information about what they expect our students to know. And so because of that, what it has done is it has allowed us to envision the components of our computer manufacturing environment. So we collected information from the medical corporations, the corporations that do aerospace, the corporations that are involved in automotive and machine tool. We've taken all of that information, put that into a recipe for building our CME. Also, the courses have been tailored for meeting those needs of industry.
Welcome to the Welding Lab. We have a very unique lab here because we have a partnership with Lincoln Electric. We're one of the very few colleges in the U.S. that Lincoln partners up with. We get brand new machines every 2 years, so our students are able to learn on the most up-to-date processes and machines that are out there. What we're also able to do is figure out a way to effectively teach the student what employers really need today.
My job is to work collaboratively with our faculty members to modularize their academic programs. Our modules are designed to be competency-based and self-paced, so students can enroll in a module at any time, complete it as they are available to do so. They prove their competency through competency-based assessments. They have to actually show the instructor that they're capable of doing what it is that they're supposed to be doing in that module.
So I am Shawn Hickman. I'm electrical controls professor here at LCC. Working on the grant here, one of the things that I did was help with the equipment specification. Over the years I've helped a lot of students build, maintain and troubleshoot automated systems similar to the ones that you've seen here. It's a big demand here in Lansing especially for students to come in and keep this equipment running. So the mechatronics program kind of brought together a lot of different skill sets so that when these systems go down, the students can fabricate stuff from scratch. They can get in there and fix electrical issues. They can troubleshoot. That we wanted multi-skilled students. We've been very fortunate to have a very engaged advisory board that gave us clear direction as to what they wanted from their skilled trades. So I want to thank them. I'd like to thank the board and LCC for recognizing this need in our area and for supporting us. And I would like to thank Trends for recognizing all the hard work that our staff put together to make this happen and put it together.